Affiliate marketing is like being a friendly recommender. It's all about sharing the products you genuinely love and believe in with others. You share products you love with others, often through social media, blogs, or personal recommendations. These products belong to other companies and you act as a bridge between the company and potential customers. If someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. This link is special to you and tracks your referrals. Think of it as earning a finder's fee. The more people you refer, the more you can potentially earn. You find great products and tell people about them, sharing your genuine experiences and reviews. The company rewards you for bringing in customers, often with a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount. It's a win-win for everyone. Customers find products they need, companies get sales, and you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is popular because it's flexible. You can tailor it to fit your lifestyle and schedule. You can work from anywhere, anytime, whether it's from a cozy coffee shop or the comfort of your home. It's a great way to earn extra income online, and the potential is limitless with dedication and effort. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for something new, affiliate marketing is worth exploring. It offers opportunities for everyone, regardless of background or experience. Here's how you make money with affiliate marketing. It's a simple yet effective way to generate income online. First, you join an affiliate program. There are many to choose from, so pick one that aligns with your interests. Every program provides a unique link just for you. This link tracks your referrals. You share this link on your website, social media, or emails. The more places you share, the better your chances. When someone clicks your link and buys something, you get paid. The commission percentage varies based on the program. Some programs offer a few percent, while others offer much more. Research to find the best rates. The key is to choose products you believe in. Authenticity is important for building trust with your audience. Share your honest opinions about products. Your genuine reviews will resonate more with your audience. People trust recommendations from real people. Your personal touch makes a difference. Remember, it's not about tricking people into buying, it's about being a helpful guide. It's about connecting them with products they'll genuinely find valuable. Your success lies in their satisfaction. Starting your affiliate marketing journey is easier than you think. First, choose a niche you're passionate about. What are your hobbies or interests? Next, research affiliate programs that fit your niche. Popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Once you've joined some programs, start creating valuable content. This could be a blog, social media posts, or even email newsletters. Remember, consistency is key. The more you share and promote, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Section 4. Strategies for affiliate marketing success. Choosing the right products is crucial. Focus on products you've used or would recommend to friends. Research their popularity and commission rates. Next, find the right platforms to reach your audience. Are they on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest? Tailor your content to each platform. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Try video reviews, comparison posts, or even live streams. Engage with your audience and build a community. Answer questions, respond to comments, and be genuine in your interactions. Section 5. Blogging your way to affiliate marketing income. Blogging is an excellent way to boost your affiliate marketing efforts. A blog gives you a platform to share your thoughts, reviews, and product recommendations. Choose a catchy blog name and design a user-friendly website. Write engaging content that provides value to your readers. Use keywords related to your niche to attract organic traffic. Share your blog posts on social media to expand your reach. Remember to include your affiliate links naturally within your content. Don't be afraid to promote products you believe in. Section 6. The power of passive income. One of the most appealing aspects of affiliate marketing is the potential for passive income. This type of income allows you to earn money without being actively involved all the time. This means you can earn money even while you sleep. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with knowing your income is not tied to the hours you work. Imagine waking up to commission notifications in your inbox. Each notification is a reminder of the work you've put in and the rewards you're reaping. With consistent effort and strategic planning, it's definitely achievable. Setting clear goals and mapping out a plan can help you stay on track. Focus on creating evergreen content that remains relevant over time. This type of content continues to attract and engage your audience long after it's published. Build an email list to nurture relationships with your audience. An engaged email list can be a powerful tool for driving consistent traffic and sales. Remember, passive income takes time and effort to build. It's not an overnight success, but a journey that requires patience and persistence. But with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals. Celebrate each milestone as a step closer to financial freedom. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can start building your passive income streams. With hard work and the right mindset, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards that come with it.